Hi, I'm Patty. Let's talk about the 2-minute rule on Cambly. A lot of students have no idea this rule exists. And honestly, some tutors don't either. But on Cambly, there is a 2-minute rule. When a student connects with you, you have the first 2 minutes to decide whether you want to continue the call. This is your time to quickly assess the situation and see if it feels like a good fit. If something doesn't feel right, maybe the vibe is off, maybe the student seems difficult, or maybe you're worried about a low rating, you're allowed to end the call within those first 2 minutes. You won't be paid for that time, but the student also can't leave you a rating. And in the long run, protecting your ratings is far more important than a couple of minutes of pay. That said, this rule isn't meant to be used all the time. If you earn too many calls, Cambly will notice and you may receive an email from them. So think of this as a safety net, not a habit. If you do decide to end the call, keep it simple and polite. You can say something like, "I'm sorry, I don't think I'm the right tutor for you this time. I wish you the best with your English." Trust your instincts, especially when you're new. Cambly gives you this option for a reason. And I'll be sharing more practical tips like this for new tutors very soon.